Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could completely transform your job search game. Did you know that most people aren't using GPT to its full potential when it comes to landing their dream job? Well, that changes today. I'm going to share 8 powerful GPT prompts that will help you stand out in 2025's competitive job market. Whether you're crafting a killer LinkedIn profile, prepping for interviews, or transitioning careers, these prompts have got you covered. All the prompts are available in the description below, so let's get started. First up, crafting a LinkedIn summary for job search. Here's the prompt you can use. Act as a career coach to help with job hunting. Provide a tailored LinkedIn summary for field, industry, including skills like Skill 1, Skill 2. The tone should be professional yet approachable, appealing to target audience. Suggestions for improvement are welcome. This will help you create a profile that grabs attention and showcases your expertise. Next, let's talk about creating an ATS-friendly resume. Use this prompt. As a resume expert, craft an ATS-friendly resume for a job role position. Include action verbs for accomplishments like Accomplishment 1, and highlight skills like Skill 1, Skill 2. Ensure the format complies with ATS standards. Include a cover letter outline. This ensures your resume gets past those pesky applicant tracking systems and into the hands of recruiters. Now, let's tackle job interview preparation. Here's the prompt. Help me prepare for a job interview in industry. Provide answers to common questions like, tell me about yourself, or, what's your greatest strength, tailored to a specific role. Use examples that showcase key skill and experience. This will help you walk into your interview feeling confident and ready to impress. Thinking about a career transition? Use this prompt. I'm switching careers to new industry. Provide a step-by-step guide to tailor my current skills in old industry to stand out for roles in new industry. Include suggestions for certifications or courses to make the transition easier. This will give you a clear roadmap to pivot into a new field. Need help with critiquing a job application email? Try this. As a recruiter, critique this job application email draft. Dear recipient, I'm interested in the position at company. My background in field and expertise in skill make me an excellent fit. Suggest improvements to tone and structure. This ensures your email stands out in a recruiter's inbox. Want to master networking on LinkedIn? Use this prompt. List 10 actionable networking tips to connect with industry professionals on LinkedIn. Emphasize how to send impactful messages, optimize my profile, and engage with relevant content to stand out as a desired role. This will help you build meaningful connections that could lead to your next opportunity. Looking for remote job opportunities? Here's the prompt. Act as a mentor to suggest job search platforms and strategies to find remote field role opportunities. Include niche websites and tips on writing tailored applications to increase my chances of landing interviews. This is perfect for anyone aiming to work from anywhere in the world. Finally, let's talk about creating a 30-60-90 day plan for onboarding. Use this prompt. Create a 30-60-90 day plan outline for onboarding success and position. Include goals for learning, skill, process, building relationships with team, stakeholders, and contributing value within the first 3 months. This will help you hit the ground running in your new role. And there you have it, 8 GPT prompts to help you land your dream job in 2025. Whether you're just starting your job search or looking to level up, these prompts are your secret weapon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe and share.